welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. By the way, I'll give it a shout out to Nick for sending me this so I could do the review for you guys. So this one is the 4.7-inch handheld shower heads with the 6-spray setting, detachable handheld shower, and it comes with a long hose and adjustable brass bracket. So they have 3 different colors. I believe this one is the chrome color. There's a brushed nickel, and then there's also an oil rubbed bronze. So by the way, I'll be including the link that's going to show you with the description so you guys could check them out. And the branding is ANZA, A-N-Z-A. By the way, they have a pretty good review. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So here is the product description right here. So here's the branding right here, ANZA. And then the stars or the model number is AZH S002-CP. And this is made in China. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Wow, nice. And it comes with the Teflon tape, so you don't need to spend extra money. Wow, look at the finish on this thing. So nice. So you got the 1 setting, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Oh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So around the outer circle right here, it is rubberized material, so the hot water doesn't stick to it. And come with this mesh netting right here to avoid the sediment to go into the shower head. And here is the user guide or installation guide. Wow, nice. So there's one right there already. So this one must be a backup then. And here's the hose. And you got this two of this rubber O-ring right here. So this is pretty nice, and those are the nice brass. So you're gonna pop this in there. Just like that. And the other one goes into the other end right here. So this end goes to the shower head, okay? Because they have a special rubber ring right here. And then allow you to hook it right here. Wow, nice. So once you loosen this, it allows you to rotate. Okay? However angle that you want it. Well, let's go ahead and do a quick installation for you guys real quick, so you could check them out. Alright, so we're over here by the bathroom right now. I'm going to remove this O1. As you can see, there's no rubber O-ring right here. And this one, there's no rubber O-ring in there, so. Oops, it is right here. Let me get my wrench. So I unscrew this apart first. You see there's a flat finish right here, that's where you put your wrench in there. So there you go. We're going to go ahead and test out the 6 different mode. Alright, I'm going to turn on the water, but I'm going to bring the shower head down here so you won't splash everywhere. So this is mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, mode 5, and mode 6, like a raindrop. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.